Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to solve image shrink in Shopify product description. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify dashboard. After opening your Shopify dashboard, click on the online store button from the left menu bar. And after that, click on the themes button. After clicking the themes button, click on the actions drop down menu. After that, click on the edit code option. And now the code editor will open. Now search for the file. And now change the size and click on the save button. After changing the size and saving it, open your website and now refresh. And here you see the shrink of the size of the image. So that's how you will solve image shrink in Shopify product description. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.